Good morning, guys. We're off to Argos in Pont-Llanfraith.
Oh, I'm excited.
That's a mouthful, isn't it?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah, you are excited because you get to play with a big toy. And I'm not on about a rabbit. Yeah, we buying pressure washer.
Yes. Told you ages ago it was broke and we needed a new one. Mr. Cheapskate.
I did try to repair it, but
Told you it was broke. Wouldn't listen to me, huh?
it's because
You're a man.
men are mostly right.
Ha
So yeah,
Whatever. Nearly had me swearing then.
wouldn't be the first time.
No, I know. Won't be the last either. I think we should have breakfast somewhere.
Yeah,
Yes.
sounds good. I think you should spray the trees later because this car, as you can see up there, I don't think it is covered in aphid crap. So, also known as honeydew.
Oh,
Yeah, the
I've got
car.
eyes I can see.
The car is plastered in honeydew. No matter how many times you wash it, it's covered within hours of it. And it's all sticky and...
Yeah, told you what to do.
Yeah, look at the side windows. Minging. So yeah. Off to Argos. And I'll show you a video of the state of the car when we get out. With it minging. Just coming into Blackwood. Not a bad little town, that. Better than Tredegar. I do like this bridge. So, nearly there, not far. No, left, right, right. I mean, me saying left, it's right. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, fuck's sake, I can't get in the right
In the right slot, please.
thing.
You burned that clutch.
Shut up.
The kids are picking on me now.
Good. Good.
You're all bullied.
Ugly.
Yeah, you can stick it in beer, look.
You're ugly.
Thank you, Cleo.
That's not nice.
You need to mind them.
Yeah, like parent and brat, look. Stick it in there. Because we got a brat right there. Cleo, don't.
Sorry.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Let's go. And we're there. There we go. She's got what she wanted. Happy now? This way.
I can't read.
So I don't know if you can see it because of the sunlight, but that's the state of the car. That is all honeydew. That was all cleaned yesterday. It is absolutely minging. And it feels like you're travelling around inside a sugar cube. It is gross. Back in Tredegar and we're going to Spoons if we can get in.
Oh, God.
That's a bit busy in that car park, so yeah, we'll have to see if we can slide it down the side road here and into the back.
I ain't going that way.
You're not going down that way.
I ain't that way.
All right then.
It's too tight.
That's what she said.
Shut.
I did that because it's a certain someone called Phil who will stick a meme up. Not a meme, a GIF. GIF? Oh, I don't know how you pronounce it, but yeah. Oh. You happy?
I know. Which bucket? Oh, it looks like it's full of beer as well.
Maybe no spoons. Maybe.
Bank holiday.
Maybe mountain air. Because I like the mountain
I
air.
don't think they'd be open now till 12.
Nah. Back in a sec. Well, we found a spot anyway, so we're going to spoons. Yeah. I don't know if you can actually see all this. It's absolutely minging. I hate these bugs. And apparently it comes out of their bum, which is quite rank. Aphids. Yeah. The car is absolutely covered in it. Right, they calling me, they shouting at me, so back in a minute. And here it is, working. Good job. Right, thank you for watching. Speak soon. Bye bye.